roll in slow. Slow. Faster, 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 faster. Stop. Now let's roll out. Let's roll out. Slow, slow, slow. Faster, 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 faster. Stop. Now listen to me. The children who are sitting in the literacy center, I want you at the focus. Please come at the focus. Faizan, you can also come. Sophia, come here. I'll give you your chance. Children, please push your chairs. Wait your jacket. You have to make this orange sing. You try it now, then I'll come back to you. Okay, Sophia? Now, 1 minute. Bennett, come, baby. Just 1 minute. Bennett, come, baby. Chester, come here, baby. Bennett, here. Okay, Samaira, can you tell me what are we going to do today? Better you can do this, baby. We'll do this later. So what do you think we are going to do today? Sing and float. Johanna, can you tell me what do you mean by sing?
Go to the questions on this graphic organizer, and if you have more sentences, you can write more sentences by yourself. Some of the names and the spellings are here. Learning centers, you know around, the spellings are there, so you can, if you need spelling help, you can see from there. Okay? Okay? Okay. Now children, eyes and me. Eyes and me. Now children, we have Miss Jenny. I think we forgot to put the graphic organizers over here, the small ones. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to write sentences. I'm just going to give you graphic organizers, and we have word bank over here. Niman, we have word bank over here. So if you need any help, you will refer to this word bank, and Miss Jenny will be here to help you. So let me see beautiful sentences. Good. Read the sentence again and find out whether it's making sense. Okay? Okay? Please read your sentence and think over it whether it's making sense or not. Okay?
Give me a razor. Give me a razor. And go again.
Okay. So did we write our name? Aisha sleepy, baby?
Yes.
Go wash your face and come. Auntie, Aisha is sleepy.
Ma'am, my
Yes. Oh, name and date. Okay, so now children, we need little help over here. So I'm going to give you some picture cutouts. And it has, that's okay, you write from here. But wait, you've already started writing, Mehek. Okay, I'll wait for you to finish writing the date. Yes, I will help you. Okay, so here there are picture cutouts, okay? And in the picture cutouts, there are sentences written. So we will first fix the picture, then we will try to read what is written, and then we will start writing. So we have help over here, okay? There is help over here, Pavani, but we need to focus in reading, trying to read. Are we ready now? Yes.
So sleepy little bit.
Who is sleepy? Why are you sleepy? You did not sleep on time yesterday.
I was in the yesterday. I was going to trip and I was so sleepy.
Okay. So Eric, can we come back to sentence writing now?
Yes.
So you, Jeremiah and Eric will fix the puzzle together. Nanda and Ira will fix the puzzle together and read it. Mehek and Pavni will fix the puzzle together. So now fix the puzzle and read the sentence. Try to read the sentence. Aisha, this is your turn. Try to read the sentence. See the questions. See the questions. Follow the order.
So this is guiding writing for upper KG Namrata, wherein the children are, the teacher discussed about my school, where she showed a video of a school tour, and then she discussed about what is creative writing all about and what are they going to write for my school, wherein all these, she discussed everything using this board where the child read out the learning objectives and then the success criteria, and then what are the points they need to add in their guided writing. If you can see, I'll take a picture also and send it. Then she has got 3 tables for this, wherein the first table is probably for the high achievers, wherein the children are simply using the questions there on the board, and they are framing their own sentences, starting with what is the name of your school, which class are you in. Then moving on to the next table, or also children, I would say of middle achievers, wherein the words are given on the table, the helping words, the vocabulary words, and they can also look around the classroom for all the vocabulary words given, and they are making sentences. And as you heard, there was the writing rules which the teacher discussed with them, which was very nice. And moving on to the children who are little low achievers, there is a puzzle. They have to make a puzzle, and then there's a sentence written. So they're working in pairs. After making a puzzle, they're writing that sentence in the sheet given to them. So now they're reading out their own sheets, they're reading out the sentences, what they have written.
Okay. Let me find your paper.
Eggless cookies are good.
Eggless cookies, they're very good.
What about their dots?
If they are